Replace the old story, reprogramming your money mindset. The most exciting part of this process is that limiting beliefs are not permanent. They are not tattoos, they are stories, and stories can be rewritten. Here's how you do it. You take the old belief, the one that has been holding you back, and you consciously replace it with a new empowering one. For example, old belief, money is evil. New belief, money is a tool for good. In my hands, it creates freedom, impact, and opportunities for myself and others. Old belief, I'm not good with money. New belief, I am learning, growing, and improving with every step I take. Old belief, success is for others, not for me. New belief, I am just as worthy of success as anyone else. My story matters. My success matters. Every time you make this replacement, you are literally reprogramming your money mindset. You're planting seeds for a new financial future. Affirmation practice. Turn a belief into an affirmation. Now, let's take this one step further. It's not enough to just think about a new belief once. Your brain doesn't change from one thought. It changes through repetition and emotion. That's why affirmations are so powerful. Here's your exercise. Take the limiting belief you circled earlier. Rewrite it as a positive affirmation. Write it down. Then say it out loud every single day. Not with hesitation. Not like you're reading a line from a script. Say it with feeling. Say it with energy. Say it as if you already believe it fully. Because here's the truth. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between something that's vividly repeated with emotion and something that's already true. That's why athletes visualize winning. That's why leaders repeat mantras. And that's why you must affirm your new beliefs daily. For example, I am confident with money. I attract opportunities with ease. I am worthy of wealth and success. Each time you repeat it, the old belief gets weaker and the new one gets stronger. Soon, what once felt like a lie will feel natural. And eventually, it will feel like the only truth. Closing transformation. From limitation to possibility. In this module, you've done something profound. You've uncovered the hidden beliefs shaping your financial life. You've identified the limiting stories that have been quietly holding you back. You've seen how they create emotions, actions, and results. And, most importantly, you've begun rewriting them into new, empowering truths. This is how transformation begins. Not with the numbers in your bank account. Not with some miracle windfall of cash. But with the stories you tell yourself about money. Because when you change your story, you change your emotions. When you change your emotions, you change your actions. And when you change your actions, you change your results. So today marks the beginning of a new chapter. You are no longer stuck in old patterns. You are the author now, and the story you're writing is one of abundance, growth, and possibility. Repeat this with me now. Out loud. I am worthy. I am capable. I am creating a new money story. That is your truth, and that truth will shape everything from this moment forward.